started with the liquid just because it has been a bit. No! I'm so sorry, Ash. Yes, the green, we haven't done that on live, so I was like, you know what? Let's do. We've done purple, pink, orange, yellow, and teal. Now green. Smells so good. Thank you. I'm gonna probably do a $5 pine fab, and we'll save that for when it gets a little thick. Thank you for sending, love. Thank you everybody that sent, that got this amazing overload started. We're gonna have so much fun. Let's put green hearts in the chat for everyone that sent. This smells heavenly. I have to get the sponges wet before I can. We don't like dry squeezes here. Well, maybe some people do, but it makes me cringe. Yes, thank you. All right, good. We're on the same wavelength then. I like that. I don't know. I like to get it all a little sudsy and wet before you put the, yes, only for powder play. I agree. All right, here we go. I just think it's miserable. Juicy. That's how I like it. Juicy and wet. Sent two for another. Thank you, Brat's Clean, for sending. You're so sweet. Do you care what color? I have purple, yellow, green, and teal. Yes, they need to be juicy and wet. It's the best way. Like, I love a good purple, you got it. Like, I love a good powder play, but clean it all out and add the liquids. I'm gonna grab that purple fabric softener. Okay, got that purple. All right, let's get some color up in here. All right, that's good. Baby. That will be my first time doing baby powder on live. Hey. I use the bow, so it gets all stuck in the bow sponge. I use the bow sponge to pick up all the clumps and stuff after I squeeze. So I do it. I do have rubbing alcohol. I have clear and wintergreen. I have a ton. All right, here we go. Yeah, the green powder is called Sweetheart Powder. I sell it. I just launched it on Saturday. All the details are on my page. Everything you want to know about it will be on the page. Beautiful color. All right, I want all my sponge talkers, my clean talkers, to drop a sponge. I'm all about supporting all clean talkers here. Drop your sponge, and everybody, I highly recommend you giving them all a follow. They're all amazing with amazing content. The green is beautiful, I agree. And I'm just obsessed with all of them. My little baby. Yes, follow all the sponges, please. They're amazing humans. They're positive, they're great, they're supportive. They're girls. Girls are everything you love about a human. All right, now let's do some baby powder. Nope. Uh-oh. We're gonna layer it because that's what she wants. All right, let's do these baby powder squeezes. Now, can you guys mute? Block that person. Can you guys hear well? You guys can hear well? Smoke bombs! You can? Okay. Woo! Look at that smoke! Yes, everyone, thank you guys for supporting everybody in here. Woo! It is cloud smoke heaven in here. You can hear everything clear? Woo! I'm so happy for you, Naja. When you decide to go live, you have to let me know so I can come in and support. Hey, lady. How are you, love? Did you have a good weekend? We're gonna do a little bit of and yes, I will get the bow with that. I just do it last by herself. Oh, thank you, lady, for the heart puffs, sweetie. Thank you for the galaxies, H. Oh, thank you for the gifts. Oh, did somebody put a sponge when they weren't a clean talker? Naughty, naughty. That's one way we don't be dishonest here. Oh, it's so silky. Oh. You're so funny, Marcy. You're so funny. That color, yes, that was beautiful. All right, let's go back to some laundry and powder squeeze.